Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel involves several steps. 1. Create a YouTube account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Google account, and then create a YouTube channel using your Google account. 2. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or niche for your channel. This helps attract a targeted audience. 3. Create quality content. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing videos. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and adds value to your audience. 4. Upload regularly. Consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and attract more subscribers. 5. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use compelling titles and detailed descriptions with relevant keywords to improve your video's discoverability. 6. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. 7. Build an audience. Interact with your audience through comments and social media. Encourage viewers to subscribe and share your videos. 8. Enable monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. 9. Set up AdSense account. Connect your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account to start earning money from ads. 10. Explore other revenue streams. Diversify your income by exploring other monetization options such as channel memberships, merchandise, or affiliate marketing. 11. Follow YouTube policies. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies to avoid any violations that could impact your monetization. 12. Promote your channel. Use social media. Collaborate with other creators and employ SEO strategies to increase your channel's visibility.